Hello humans, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna work on this iPhone 7. Unfortunately this one lose the home button for some reason. Maybe somebody changed it, don't know. I don't know what happened, to be honest, with this one. Customer don't know either. So what we're gonna do on this one is on the iPhone 7 and up, we cannot change the home button. If we change it, we're gonna lose like the back option to home option or fingerprint option. So we're gonna be stuck with a brick button. Basically, it's just to cover the hole, but it's not gonna do any function whatsoever. But these people came out with this new JC home button. That's how they call it. But we're gonna be testing it if this work for real, and if we're gonna see if it does the phone function the same or it's gonna be glitching or something. We're gonna put this on test mode right now and just let's do it. I opened it before, so all right. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the screen. You see this phone, like I told you, it's been open. It don't even have the original screws no more. God knows what this phone has been through. But what we're gonna do here is try to fix it, make it look, or make it go back to the way it was. Okay, we got that out of the way. We have the top. All right, we have these two little plates out of the way, and I'm gonna just unplug the battery right away, first thing, and then the screen. Okay, this is all we need. We're gonna put this on the side because we don't need that. We're gonna proceed by to remove the old home button. It's gonna be only 4 screws. Just have in mind this procedure that we're about to do, anybody can do it. You just need the screwdrivers, and you need to get this home button, which I might leave the link down below. If I don't leave it, it's gonna take me maybe a little bit of time, but if nobody in US probably is not selling it, I'm not gonna put it. So I might put a Chinese website, I don't know, who cares. Okay, let me just remove this home button. Like I tell you, this is been already previously repaired. I'm not even sure if this is the original home button, but we're just gonna go ahead and do this other procedure. Okay, what I'm gonna do is first thing, I'm going to plug in and install the new home button, just like it was the old home button, just the same way the old home button was. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one, okay? So I don't want to confuse you. All right, let's just okay, there you go. And we're gonna connect that little cable in there. You see, that cable goes underneath, and the home button cable just wrap it. It just like basically hug the little cable like that, just in case you remove it and then you didn't know how it was. That's how it goes. Let's see. There you go. And on the front is nice and flat. Okay. And we're gonna proceed and put these back. It's only 4 screws. Okay. I can tell you right away the difference. Right here, as soon as you put it, even the phone is not on or anything, you can click. I don't know if you can hear that. Let me go closer. You guys heard that? The click. Basically, they put like a click inside the home button, but on this one, on the original, you know, it's just the fingerprint scanner. It doesn't have any click or something. Everything is done by the Taptic engine on your phone. This thing right here, or vibrator, whatever you want to call it. Taptic engine. All right. That being done, now we put it on the side, and we're gonna do something on the phone. Just for you guys to understand this better, I'm gonna bring you to the microscope. Okay? We're gonna leave this here, and I'm gonna bring you to the microscope. Okay, guys, you don't really need a microscope to do this. I'm just bring you to the microscope so you guys can understand better what we do. What are we doing? The home button comes with this. As you guys can see, I'm gonna show you in this camera here on the bottom, on the corner. It comes with this little sticker. I'm gonna put it in here. You guys see it says for the iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8 or 8 Plus. So this the same button can be used on any of these 4 different models of iPhone. So basically what we're gonna do is, you see this little board here, you're gonna break this little pad. Like for example, this one is iPhone 7. We're gonna break this and we're gonna match it with 2 of those 4 points right here on the motherboard. All right, let's just break this. Let me go ahead and break it. All right, there you go. As you guys can see, that's how it goes. We broke that. Okay. And what we're gonna do now, you guys can see, it was my bad. It was not on the 4 points. It was on like kind of the one in the middle and this other one square right here on the edge of the motherboard. So this has some kind of adhesive. We're gonna just peel this adhesive. Let me just peel it off. There we go. Alright, we peel the adhesive off, and now we're going to stick this in here. It's kind of tight though, let me tell you. I think we're doing it right. Okay, I think they do it tight because they want it to like basically be stuck in there. You see? So that's how it's gonna be. All right. There is no much other instructions in here. I don't even have other manual or something. And I see it brings this little pad in here, and also this little pad has its own adhesive. Look at that. I'm gonna peel that off, and oh well. I hope I'm doing this right. I think that one's supposed to go why it has this. I should have watched the instruction first, but we're just gonna go and do it later. All right. All right, guys. We have our little thing. Has to look something like that. If you miss any step, just rewind and watch again closely how it's supposed to go. All right, we're gonna go now back into my desk and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, back here, we're gonna put our phone together and I'm gonna show you how this is supposed to work. I'm gonna connect all the cables, have some adhesive left on the phone. All right, there you go. There you go. We're not gonna close anything yet. First, we're gonna test it. Just turn on our phone. All right. The way this is supposed to work is, you see, you guys are not gonna see it's gonna work right away. It's not working. So we have to go inside the phone and turn our Bluetooth on. And right away we're gonna see this this option right here. You see, it says PLJ hot home 04 some weird stuff. Might be an email, God knows. So we're gonna connect that, and pair is connected. All right. So we got that connected, and we're gonna go. Now we're gonna press it and test and see if it works. My God! My God! Yes, yes. I see. I mean, I see another video, but it's not the same joy when you do the stuff by yourself. Is the joy is like I always tell you how much fun I have fixing these phones. But wow, look at that! Look, now I'm gonna go here, click. Woo! Let's lock it down. See if it works on lock mode. Yeah, it's working, guys. Like I tell you, that's all you need to do to fix this home button. You see, of course, I'm gonna just go ahead quickly right here and show you that this is not gonna work. I mean, what is it? The fingerprint. Of course, this is not gonna work. The only way to make that work is with the original, and in this case, I mean, because this has been replaced. Alright guys, another thing we're gonna try is we're gonna see if we can pair another Bluetooth device like a speaker or our AirPods to this phone. Meanwhile, we're using the JC home button, you know? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go to the Bluetooth and we're gonna try to look, see, okay, we have this Bluetooth speaker. We have this Bluetooth speaker and we're gonna pair it. Okay. Now it's paired. I want to connect it to the Wi-Fi and play one of my videos. Alright guys, I'm here in my YouTube channel and we're just gonna go ahead, I guess, and play one of these videos. Today we have something very special. We finally got it together, so, and here we go. We're gonna be doing the... We can play our Bluetooth and have our JC home button connected at the same time. So that's pretty cool. I just wanted to test that option. Yeah, I want to make sure you guys can play your Bluetooth. You can use your Bluetooth devices like a speaker or AirPods. Meanwhile, you use the JC home button. That's pretty cool. Okay guys, I'm going to finish this video right here. I'm going to close this later on. I'm just going to do a couple of more tests for myself, but as you guys can see, it works perfect. as you guys, I just want to mention again that you're not going to have fingerprint because it's not the original one, but as long as it functions, I can tell you, like, it doesn't even, like, you're not gonna have like missing clicks. Every time you click, it's gonna boom, just go back. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope this video helped you to fix your phone. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do another video about something else, or if you have any question about this one. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! We'll be right back.